Hello students, this is 4th class of linear equation. Now you know how to solve linear equation. Today I am going to discuss the application of linear equation. Can you apply linear equation in your daily life? Yes, you can apply. But how? So let's start. So students, basically there are so many types of problems in which you can apply linear equation like time and work, time and distance, boat and stream, problem on numbers, problem on costing, and there are so many types of huge problems. So today I will discuss the main topic, that is problem on numbers. Problem on numbers are basically of three types. One is fraction related, and the other is digit related, and the another is simply numbers related. Okay, so see here the question is, the sum of two digit numbers is 12 and the number obtained by interchanging its digit exceeds the given number by 18. Find the number. So at first you will find that what is required. You have to find the number. That means single number. So this is digit related problem. So let two digits number, the number is two digit number, so we find two digits, one is unit digit and the other is 10 digit. So let tens digit is x and unit digit is y. And now just imagine if the number is 25. You have a number 25. That's mean 20 plus 5. So you can write also in this way, 2 into 10 plus 5. That is 25. That's mean this is one digit. That's mean unit digit, and this is 10 digit. So you can write this number in this way, 2 into 10. That is its place value plus 5. So the required number will be required number, if you write in this way, x, y, so x into 10, right? So the number will be 10x plus y. This is the main criteria of this type of math. Okay, so now you have to form the equations. See, here is the sum of two digit number is 12. So x plus y equals to 12. It is given. So this is done. And the another is the number obtained by interchanging its digit. So what will be? If we interchange the digits, then 10 will be unit and unit will be 10. So xy will be yx. And the number will be its place value now 10. So we multiply 10 with this digit, we get 10y plus x, which is the number obtained by interchanging interchanging its digit. So that will be 10y plus x. Exceeds mean more than. So here you give a equal sign, more than plus more than the given number. Given number is its, so more than the given number by 18. So here will be 18. Okay, so now we have to simplify this equation. So it will be 10y plus x minus 10x minus y equals to 18, or 9y minus 9x equals to 18, which gives us y minus x equals to 2. So this is the another equation. Now see, here is a set of linear equation which is x plus y equals to 12, and the another is y minus x equals to 2. Now you can solve this. So by adding 1 and 2. Why we add? Because here minus x, here plus x, and the coefficient is also same, 1 and 1. So it will give us y minus x plus y equals to 12 plus 2, or it gives us x, so 2y equals to 14, that gives us y equals to 14 upon 2, that is 7. If you put the value of y here, then from 2 we get 7 minus x equals to 2, which gives us x equals to 5. Okay, so we have to find the number, and the number is 10x plus y, so the required number will be 10 into 5 plus 7, that is 57. So just write the equations from the words and solve it, you can find your answer. Okay, so this is another type of problem. See, here you have to find the fraction. Okay, so simply let the fraction is x upon y. It is your fraction. Now you have to construct the equation. So here given that a fraction becomes 1 upon 3. So a fraction becomes 1 upon 3, this fraction. When becomes 1 upon 3? When 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So 1 is subtracted, this is numerator, this is denominator, so 1 is subtracted from the numerator, it becomes 1 upon 3. So it is done. So from where we can write, we multiply corner to corner, it will give us 3 into x minus 1 equals to y, which is 3x. If we multiply 3x, y, that is, it will be minus y, equals to 3 into 1, which is 3, it will be plus 3. So it is one equation. Okay, now the next equation is, and it becomes 1 upon 4. So it becomes 1 upon 4. When it's become 1 upon 4? When 8 is added to its denominator. When 8 is added with its denominator. Now similarly multiply corner to corner, it gives us 4x equals to y plus 8, which gives us 4x minus y equals to 8, which is equation 2. Now this 2 is a set of linear equations, so you can solve it by any method. Here I will apply the elimination method where the coefficient is 1 and 1, that is same, but here minus sign, here minus y, so we have to subtract. 4x minus y minus 3x minus y equals to 8 minus 3, which gives us 4x minus y minus 3x plus y equals to 5, that is x equals to 5. So x is ready. Now for y, substitute this value in any of its equation. So from 1 we get 3 into 5 minus y equals to 3, which gives us 15 minus y equals to 3, which is y equals to 12. So the required fraction is 5 upon 12. So you can solve this type of equation in this way. If you have any problem, then tell me in comment section. If you like my video, then share with your friends and subscribe my channel. So bye.